Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI tutorials. In this tutorial video, we are going to see the concept of column from example in Power BI. So, first of all, let us understand that what is column from example. This is our data source where we have a table, and in this table we have two values or two fields, the product code field and the product name field. Okay. So if we just take a look at the product code, then we can find that whatever the name of the product is, the first three characters of that product name are used in the product code, and then there is some kind of an year, and then separated by hyphen is some kind of a number. So this is the whole product code, right? So what does this column from example says us is that if you want to extract something or if you want to perform any of the operations over the data in Power BI, then you can simply just give us a pattern or provide us with a sample pattern, and we will perform the same operation over all of the data. So this is what the column from example stands for. Means if you want to do anything, if you want to perform any of the operations, then in that case you do not need to provide it with a function. You do not need to write any function. You do not need to write any code. All you could do is just provide with a pattern, and Power BI itself will learn from that pattern and apply the changes over all the data. So this kind of a feature in Microsoft Excel is known as the feature of flash fill. Let us just see that with the help of an example. So this is my table. Let us just extend it and delete this couch. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get this 2017. I'm trying to get this 2017 here. So I've typed this 2017, and now I bring my cursor to the very next cell. In the home tab, I can just go to this fill option in the editing group, and there is this option of flash fill. So if I click on it, you can see that all the rest of the years are filled automatically by themselves, like 2016, 2017 and so on. So this is the feature of flash fill, which is possible through Power BI as well. And this Power BI feature is known as column from example. So let us see that how can we actually work with Power BI. So the name of the workbook is column from example. This is our sample data in which we are going to just split this data into multiple things. Okay, this is one table, and the second table is in this dates sheet where we have got this date, and we are going to see that what all operations can be performed over the date data. Now what operations can be performed through Power Query we have already seen, but let us see this example in which we do not want to use Power Query. We do not want to apply any date functions. We can simply just provide the pattern, and Power BI will do all the things for itself. Okay, so let us just open up our Power BI, and we need to just close this Excel sheet because if it is open, then the Power BI may throw an error when we are trying to use it. So let us just import our data from Excel, which is this column from example workbook. Let's click on open, and we need to wait for a few seconds till this data is loaded into Power BI. Okay, so dates was the name of the sheet, and the splitting text was the name of the sheet, right? So if we just go to this date 1 table, and I think table 1, yeah, so these two were the tables. So table 1 and date 1 table are the two tables that I'm going to import right now. Okay, so let us just click on transform data. Why? Because we want to open it in Power Query editor before loading it into the Power BI desktop app. Okay, so here our tables have been loaded, the date table and the product table. Okay, let us just see the values. We can just check the values. Okay, that is correct. So this is the product code column which we are going to act upon. Okay, so for this purpose we have two options, either the transform option or the add column option, but we are going to add a new column If we go to the transform column, then we had to use this text functions, which we do not want to use. We want to use the column from example option. So we need to go to this add column option, and here you can see there is column from examples. So you can see that from all columns or from selection means how many columns are in the table. There are 2 columns. So if you want to create an example or a pattern from both of these columns at once, you can go for the first option, or either you can go from selection option, which means the pattern would be taken from whichever column is selected by you. So that is exactly what I want, that the pattern must be taken from this product code column. So let us just select this from selection, and over here what we can do is we can just provide a pattern. So suppose we want years, so I can simply provide it with 2017, and as soon as I press enter, you can see that all of these years have been extracted like this. Okay, and here you can see that this is the transform function that is being used, text.between delimiters from the column product code, and what are the different delimiters, it's written, and you can just click on OK, and as soon as you do that, you can see a new column is being added with all these years. So you can just write like change the column name to years, and it's done. Okay, similarly you can again go to product code, column from examples, from the selection, and suppose we want to just extract these 4 code. So we can just double click here, provide the code, press enter, and you can see in the light gray option that all these codes are written, which means this is what the Power BI will extract. So you can just check the data, cross check the data once, and if you are happy with it, you can just click on OK. Now you gotta wait for a few seconds. Okay, so this is applied, so we can just change its theme to code as well. Okay, now if you want to see that which function has been applied over this particular column, what you can do is go to this applied steps option, and here is this corg sign. You can just click on it. So you will be able to see that it is a text after delimiter. That's the text function that has been applied, and the delimiter has been automatically provided from the start of the input. Means the advanced options have also been used, and everything like this. Okay, so basically you do not need to go to the text group and apply the text functions over the data if you are working with the column from examples option. Let us take another example, that is from selection we want to do. Okay, so we need to come to this step, and then we need to go to column from examples, otherwise that would be added before renaming it, so it would cause a problem. So we can just write, suppose we want TABCHA, that's the first thing that we want. We can simply write TAB over here, and if you want, you can just change your column name from here only, like name. Okay, that's the simple name that I'm writing. It could be anything. Then here you can just press enter. So it has not understood. It may be a problem, or it may a possibility that sometimes Power BI does not understand that what it needs to extract. So you can provide more than one input in that case. So you can see it has not still understand. So let us just write another input. Okay, so this is like, it has given us this function that if 1123 then tab, else if code is 1189. So it is trying to get it from the code, the reason why our code column is selected. So what we can do is we can just click on cancel, select this product code column, go to column from examples, and click on from selection. The reason why I showed you this was because the selection is very important. Like right now, if I just write tab tab for table, and as soon as I press enter, you can see all these values have been taken by it automatically, and you can just click on OK, and after a few seconds you will see that a new name column is being added. Okay, similarly let's quickly see these date functions. So since there is only one column, we can simply just click on this, because there is only one column, so there is no possibility of any kind of an error. Suppose we want to extract month from dates. So we have seen the date function separately through Power Query. Let's see how can we extract the month. So suppose you want to apply the month function, you can simply write mon. Then what would happen is it would automatically give us all the month functions. Like I want the month name, so I can just click on this and press enter, and you can see that automatically according to the data it has given me the different months, and I can simply click on OK. So the month name column would be added automatically. Similarly, you can just go with other examples, like if you want to work with the year function, so it would give you the year as well. Okay, basically you can just select this and press enter and click on OK. Similarly, if you want like quarters, okay, so quarter was also a possibility in the date function, so we can just simply click here and write like quarters. We want the function related to quarter. So quarter of year from date, so which quarter it is, we can just write it. So automatically it has taken up the quarter values and you can click on OK. So these are some examples of the column from example in Power BI and how can you use it. So that's all for this video.